So it's a Christmas World Cup, and we're getting ready to kick off Qatar 2022. Two of my buddies, as I said, Raymond and the Junior, heading off to Qatar. As soon as they leave here, straight on the jump boat. It really feels weird for me. What it feels weird for me. And you guys know me, my past, my history is all of my prepping, looking for
research,
take that. So I was kind of feeling empty and not wanting to not have anything to do around this time. It's Christmas.
Yeah.
And Christmas, I move into a different headspace.
That's right.
And now I'm thinking, wait, no way.
You have to try and marry the two.
I said, how I doing that? Because when World Cup, I different, nothing happening around the house, I'm rather walking up and down and recognize, okay, can't talk to him now.
This is time.
So there's a real different feeling. But I mean, it is what it is. I think we going to enjoy it one way or the other. I think we have an interesting World Cup ahead. I think
we adjusted.
Yeah. Brazil have a real good chance, Junior. And I say, you see how hard it comes.
Yeah.
I think Brazil are one of the out and out here. I think they could post two teams.
Yeah.
I looked at the
relatively easy.
They could post two teams in this World Cup, and both teams could go to the.
And both of them would be stellar teams.
Could go to the semi-finals. That's how good this Brazil team is.
Yeah.
I suppose you're very in a happy place right now.
According to Lyrical.
Yeah, you're in a happy place right now.
Happy place.
You've always supported Brazil?
Yes. Well, I mean, I actually started playing football late in life, so I wasn't a big fan of football until about the '86 World Cup.
Right, yeah.
And then since then, Brazil have been my team.
So how you got past the legend that is Diego Armando Maradona in '86, boy?
That's probably why I probably hurt me so much. The hand of God. Damn teeth.
Your support for Brazil goes back how far? Fatima days.
Most of the guys back there, I remember watching the World Cup in the either in the hall or leaving school. Lunch hour to watch football games, and most of the guys back then were Brazilians.
I always remember Gary Cummins, one of our former national coaches, spoke to how similar we as Trinidadians are to Brazil.
Style of play,
style of football, style of dance, style of everything, and there's a
our
commonality.
Exuberance, our joy of life, and so on.
So I probably the handful of Argentine fans that exist in Trinidad. But when I saw Diego Armando Maradona, I'm telling you, it changed my football. I wanted to do everything in my footballing days on the field. Everything I tried to do, I wanted to make sure and be like Maradona. And
magical left foot.
Everything. I just wanted to be Maradona, and that was from then. When I see a player, I kind of follow the team. And when Messi came along, I say, hey boy, this legend continues.
A continuation.
I would just love for Messi to go out on a high, boy. I see him get disappointed.
He went out on a high. He had his Copa. That's it. He could let them cool it that. He had his Copa.
Take that.
He could retire now.
Can I make a cocktail?
Because he's not getting a Champions League either way. He is.
Nah, he don't get a Champions League. He don't get a Champions League. He needs a Champions League done.
He could take a Copa.
Let me get him now. I'm making a simple cocktail, guys, to finish things off. We had a time. I want to first of all, as I said, wish you guys safe flight. Make sure you all go there, come back safe, enjoy, safe travels.
Take plenty pictures.
Post up.
Yeah.
Island Oasis has some wonderful shakes. There's some fruity lines. They have a nice sour mix that I'm going to try to experiment with today. But you could do cocktails. You see all them fancy cocktails by the bar and thing? At home for the World Cup, you can do your own cocktails using the Island Oasis brand. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make real simple cocktails.
I have a question for you with this brand. They have like a coconut water aspect, no?
I don't think so, no.
Because I mean, I in the spirit of Christmas, I work with my
World Cup
cocktails.
World Cup cutters and cocktails.
You might need some chaser.
You bring chaser.
Bring a whole coconut.
They sell the bottles over there.
Nothing as good as the fresh thing from the nut.
Thank you.
Thank you. Don't want to come with my hands swinging.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks to Island Oasis, I don't need this right now.
I just ask the question, and so I know next time to just pick up a box.
Yeah. Pick up a box, Island Oasis.
As opposed to walking with a
Yeah. All right. So guys, I'm doing a rum sour.
Lovely.
And I'm kind of doing a little one with a twist. I'm doing a peach flavor of the rum sour. So this is nice, real fruit. So I'm doing it about a cup.
Nice viscosity there.
Nice is the thickness real. Yeah, the thickness real. And I go in with about a cup of that. And then this is a sour mix. So nice little, you know, I do like overly sweet cocktails, you know, so that a little nice. So I'll go with about a half a cup of that, just for that little tang.
Not too pungent.
And then I could add some ice. So you're adding the ice straight to the blender. So majority of what Island Oasis would present is easy blended cocktails.
Love it.
Right? Some ice goes in there. Pull up with the ice. And
Of course, the key ingredient.
see how dark my rum looks. You want to make sure it's rum? Just make sure it's rum.
Where am I going?
Smelling Guatemala.
Yeah.
A nice cup. You can add 2 cups in here, but I wanted to also add a little tequila. You're home, you know, you're watching the game, so you got nowhere to go.
I studied my flights. You make sure you
How much was your flight? How much was your flight? 12, 14, 16 hours. You knock out on your
They
sleep.
recommend you don't drink too much before you fly long hours, you know, but okay. But okay.
And I'm ready. Just like that. We have some wonderful cocktails.
Quick and painless.
Because the aim is to get back and watch the second half.
You only have 15 minutes.
Yeah, you only have 15 minutes. You only have 15 minutes.
So you can make nachos, blend your drink,
Right.
and even pick up some sliders in our 15 minutes.
In our 15 minutes. Quick.
It's an excellent segment. I feel I'm leaving here educated.
And you know, don't let them bartenders make style on their thing, you know.
Wedges.
Drop a little something there, make things look nice. You understand?
Well, I like this part because it's not self-service.
You have a point a bartender. Say, yo, you responsible for the Island Oasis drinks.
Draw straws. Short straw.
Gents.
and drinks.
What other flavors they have, do you know?
So yeah, so they have a strawberry, they have a berry mix, they have actually a ice cream flavor. So if you want
Pina
those
colada.
creamy, they have a pina colada as well.
they have a separate-
full range.
Lovely.
Available at Malabar Farms.
Okay.
At Malabar Farms, available. Check it out, guys. I want to thank the folks at Island Oasis for making this one possible.
Definitely.
Cheers
Cheers.
Cheers.
to a good World Cup
2022.
2022, Qatar 2022. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Thank you for stopping by before you guys head off. Safe travels and
Safe return.
and safe return.
Thanks for entertaining us.
Oh, yeah. Flashing like Jet Li.
like Jet Li.
That's it. That way.
And then Bruce or Jet?
I have research.
The Lee brothers.
Wait, it's smooth and nice now.
So yeah, we could get that to go.
I'll make some more. Junior Thompson, Raymond Sams, guys, they're heading off to Qatar. Is the entire clip, eh?
Yeah.
How many are you guys?
About 14?
At least 15 to 20.
Yeah. Well, 14 about leaving here
Leaving
and then
meeting up a couple outside.
Yeah.
Represent. Want to be able to
Look for the
sell
Trinidad flag.
Trinidad flag.
Yeah, pack already.
That's it for our first. We're doing another one when the knockout phase starts. We're doing a couple World Cup shows during the Christmas holidays because this is a Christmas World Cup. So couple your Christmas inside the World Cup with some cutters and cocktails. We'll see you back here, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.